Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to, it's not my live, but my video recording of Tuesday night. This is the customer appreciation card for this month throughout June, and I'm using the Unbounded Beauty Suite. Now I've decided to do a video rather than a live today. As you know, I have a cold, flu, whatever, and I don't think I'd make it through a live without coughing throughout the whole video. So if I do a voiceover, I can sort of stop, cough, come back and keep it going. And I didn't want you guys to miss out on a video. Alright, so I'm using both bundles in that Unbounded Beauty, the Flowers of Beauty and the Unbounded Love. So they are die sets with stamp sets, really beautiful images and some really great die cuts there as well. I'm also using the Unbounded Beauty 12x12 DSP, but just a really small strip. A really small strip there as well. Bringing in some of those beautiful new in colours as well. We've got Petunia Pop, Pretty in Pink and Summer Splash, which Summer Splash is so pretty. So I'm just showing you through some of the items from that suite. I'm not using the resin dots or the glimmer paper, but those in that suite are really pretty. I've gone with the rhinestones and I've added a bit of linen thread, which I'm really happy with as well. So, but this is a really quick and easy card, really using those die cuts and making it really pretty. Alright, okay, so we're going to start off with a piece of basic white thick card base. I've started off with an A4 sheet. I'm going to score in half and then cut in half, which is going to give me 2 card bases. Oh, so anyone who shops with me this month in June using the host code, not only will you receive this handmade card that we're going to create today, but you'll also receive the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle using the Mediterranean blooms. This bundle is amazing. I really love it, and you're going to really love all 12 of the wonderful projects. I'll be sharing with you next Tuesday my card from that sweet bundle. So really, yeah, I'm super impressed with everyone's creations. So we do have our card base all done. I'm also using a matting piece of basic white thick, and that's going to be 3 7/8 by 5 5/8 that I've just cut down. So just folding and burnishing that card base. Alright, so we're right to go. I'm going to bring in some of my scrap bits of cardstock here, Summer Splash, Pretty in Pink and Petunia Pop. And I'm using the Unbounded Love dies for the labels, and the Flowers of Beauty for the die cut leaves or twigs, branches, whatever you want to call it. So in that set there's actually 2 circle dies. I'm using the larger of the 2, so one's quite smaller than the other one. And then this is the Flowers of Beauty. I'm using that long strip of flowers, and it's going to die cut 5 flowers for us in the Petunia Pink. We've got a large leaf selection or twig selection in Summer Splash, and another large leaf collection in Pretty in Pink. I'm just going to run that through my little mini machine, and once we've got them all die cut, we'll be ready to start popping the card together. Now, these colours all work really well, and I think all the in colours this year, so the 24 to 26 in colours, I honestly think that they all work together really well, which is not the case usually with in colours, but I have left off Peach Pie and Shy Shamrock, so I haven't used those 2 colours with this set. Although popping all these die cut images down would look really nice, I wanted to soften the background a little bit as well. So we're going to use the Petunia Pop ink as well as an ink blender, and we're going to add a little bit of nice ink blending to the back of that piece of basic white thick. Alright, all those little die cuts are done, and you know that probably takes up most of the time anyway. So I really hope that you've had a really great week. I think we are starting to be on the mend. We've been sick for a little while. My husband's in his 4th week of being sick, so he's just finished his antibiotics, I believe. I think he's just finished them. He had bronchitis as well as an infection, so he's been really quite sick. But I think he's starting to become on the mend as well, which is really good. You know, it's so cold and yucky that we just want to start feeling better again. I will say we did sleep in till 11 o'clock last Sunday, which was crazy. We never sleep into that sort of timings, but our body obviously needed it. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so we have our matting piece of basic white. I'm going to come in with that Petunia Pop ink and my ink blending tool. And you want to do a really nice light hand. Now, I've been told by hanging on to the end of the handle, that will stop all that, all the swirls in your brush stroke. So that has really helped me as well. I do have a heavy hand. And we've also stamped the sentiment in Petunia Pop, and I've used the sentiments hello friend, so you know, something really nice. So I've added ink to my ink blending brush. I've also taken quite a bit off of that initial ink, and because I wanted this to be really light and yeah, just nice and light and beautiful, so without being too much. So you can see I'm right down the end of my handle, and this little trick really does help. So if you're a heavy hand, try that. And then we're just going to layer in our die cuts here as well. So like I did say, this is the customer appreciation card for June. So anyone placing an order with me this month, please use the hostess code, which is on the screen. It's also in the description box. By using that host code, you'll grab yourself some really good goodies. So the first one will be this handmade card. I'll pop it in the post for you. You also receive the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle, which is that beautiful Mediterranean blooms. 12 amazing products. And if you spend over $65 in product, I'll also send you this month's June tutorial bundle, which I just received it today actually, and there's 41 projects in that. Now if you would like to join my team get it for free. So all you need to do is purchase that starter kit over in my online store, and you'll get one of those great perks of being on the INKY Stampers team, is getting these bundle tutorials for free. Alright, so we're just going to add these up, and I've just used some liquid glue to make sure that they're nice and glued down. And I'm using my acrylic block just to make sure that that glues that nicely, and it sits nice and flat as well. So that little strip of DSP is about 4 inches across. I've made a diagonal cut on one side, and then I've just torn the other side to give it that little bit of detail. I think this looks really great. Gives a little bit of interest to the card as well. I'm trying hard not to cough, so my voice probably feels funny just because of that, because I'm trying to keep that cough suppressed. And then all those little 5 Petunia Pop flowers, I'm just going to pop them all around the card front, and I'm just using my liquid glue for that. And I'm using one also to put on the sentiment piece. Now, to give it that little bit of pop-up without adding a dimensional, I'm just using a mini glue dot, roll it around a little bit. It gives it that dimension, but keeps it nice and strong in adhesive as well. And then I've got my basic rhinestones here. I'm just going to add one to one of those little flowers on the sentiment piece, and then another couple in the background as well. Alright, so this card is so pretty, but we're not finished yet. We've got 2 more things. I'm going to bring in some linen thread and just create a nice little bow. I think the brown in the linen thread just, I don't know, makes it a little bit more earthy. And the linen thread's nice and thin as well, so it just sort of works in, very delicate. I could have probably also used the white from the Baker's Twine Essential Pack as well. That would probably look really nice as well. And then what we're going to do is, I did add one of those dimensionals to that center flower on the sentiment piece. I'm not sure if I said that before, but adding some dimensionals to that card matting piece, and then we can add that down to the card front. So really a very simple card. It's so pretty, and with all those beautiful ink colours that we're using, a bit of added DSP there, some bling, some ribbon or twine, you know, I think it's a really, really pretty card. I hope that you've enjoyed today's card. If you have enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, shared the video with your friends and family, and yeah, all those good things. Alright everyone, thank you so much for spending a bit of time with me today. Sorry I couldn't be live, but you heard me cough a few times, so it's probably better that I didn't do it live. Alright everyone, have a wonderful night, and I'll see you all soon. Bye bye.